EMSEAL BEJS represents a cutting-edge bridge expansion joint system that has gained rapid popularity for its superior performance compared to traditional counterparts. One of its standout features is its exceptional watertightness. This attribute is crucial because bridges are continuously exposed to water and moisture, and any water leakage through expansion joints can lead to severe issues, such as corrosion and the deterioration of the bridge deck. EMSEAL BEJS employs a unique silicone and foam hybrid material that exhibits remarkable resistance to water and moisture. Furthermore, it remains pre-compressed, ensuring constant contact with the joint faces, even during bridge movements, effectively sealing out any potential water ingress. Another remarkable advantage of EMSEAL BEJS is its ability to accommodate a wide range of movement. Bridges experience shifts due to temperature fluctuations, varying traffic loads, and other factors. EMSEAL BEJS can accommodate up to an impressive 100% plus or minus 50% joint movement, a significant improvement over traditional bridge expansion joint systems. DRIFIL is a straightforward process that can ensure a watertight and gas-tight seal for your construction needs. DRIFIL is a flexible and durable sealing compound designed to withstand waterproofing pressures of up to 1.5 bar and gas-tight conditions up to 1.0 bar. It's particularly suitable for sealing penetrations where pipes or cables pass through concrete or masonry structures. To begin, prepare the surface around the pipe or cable entry by cleaning it with a brush to remove any dirt or debris. Next, drill a hole in the concrete or masonry structure slightly larger than the pipe or cable diameter. Once the hole is ready, apply a generous bead of DRIFIL sealant around the inside of the hole to ensure a secure seal. Insert the pipe or cable into the hole and apply another bead of DRIFIL sealant around the outside. Smooth the sealant using a putty knife for a neat and professional finish. Lastly, allow the sealant to cure for at least 24 hours before putting it into service. The VDE 8-track layout is a cutting-edge railway track standard developed by the German Association of Electrical Engineers, VDE, primarily aimed at ensuring the safe and efficient operation of high-speed trains. This layout is already in use on several high-speed railway lines in Germany, such as the Hanover-Berlin High-Speed Railway and the Cologne-Frankfurt High-Speed Railway. The VDE 8 layout consists of two main tracks, each bordered by a service track, which is reserved for maintenance and inspections. To maintain safety, a protective fence separates the main tracks from the service tracks. In addition to its basic design, the VDE 8-track layout incorporates various safety mechanisms to ensure secure rail operations. Automatic Train Protection, ATP, prevents train collisions and obstacles on the tracks, contributing to passenger and crew safety. The European Rail Traffic Management System, ERTMS, is used to manage train traffic efficiently and safely across Europe. Furthermore, level crossings along the tracks are equipped with safety barriers to prevent vehicles and pedestrians from crossing when a train is approaching. The Balkonaufbau project, undertaken by German builders, stands out for its innovative use of natural stone and an efficient drainage system. The project's base is constructed with a concrete slab that includes a sloped screed with a gradient of 1.5 to 2%, a crucial element for effective drainage. Above this, a waterproofing membrane is installed, featuring 1-inch plastic rings containing a special mixture. On top of this membrane, slabs of natural stone are placed. This unique arrangement of materials is versatile and can be employed in various applications, such as the installation of terraces, plants, and balconies. However, there are differing opinions about its effectiveness and cost-effectiveness. Some argue in favor of this drainage system, while others believe it may be too expensive. The effectiveness and cost-effectiveness of this approach may depend on specific project requirements and budget constraints. 7700 multipurpose concrete slipform machine is a versatile and robust piece of equipment designed for constructing various concrete structures, including curbs, sidewalks, barrier walls, ditches, concrete paving, bridge parapets, and more. It is powered by a potent 225 horsepower Cummins engine and features a 4-track undercarriage for exceptional stability and traction. One of its standout features is the hydraulically adjustable paving pan, which can be offset to the rear of the machine, allowing it to work within the profile of the pavement. This eliminates the need for additional side clearance requirements, making it an ideal choice for projects in tight spaces. The 7700 is user-friendly and easy to maintain, boasting features like a convenient control panel, central lubrication system, and a self-cleaning conveyor system. Furthermore, it incorporates cutting-edge technologies that enhance its efficiency and precision. These include automated control systems for consistent concrete structures, GPS-based positioning systems for accurate site placement, and laser-guided finishing systems for achieving smoother and more textured concrete surfaces. The Tecnocom RAMP-TEC Plus is a remarkable piece of equipment, an automatically adjustable staircase ramp mold with a landing, capable of creating various staircase and ramp configurations. It can tackle straight, curved, and even spiral staircases, all with the convenience of built-in landing options. Moreover, its height adjustability adds versatility, making it suitable for a wide array of construction projects. Constructed from high-quality steel, the RAMP-TEC Plus is not only built to last, but also designed with user-friendliness in mind. Its standout feature is automatic adjustment, which fine-tunes the ramp and landing inclinations to match the desired staircase design, eliminating the need for tedious manual adjustments. This efficiency can save contractors both time and effort. Additionally, its adaptability to various staircase and ramp configurations makes it an invaluable tool for contractors, ensuring accuracy and consistency even in complex designs. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. I'll be posting more reviews of new innovations in the future.